Hi, I'm Mark Allen. Thanks for joining me here on Expert Village. All right, we're going to add some heat now to the dish. What we're going to do is we're going to add a chili. This is a jalapeno. I usually use a serrano. That can be difficult to find. Now, when you cut into this, you don't want to use the seeds. You don't want to use the seeds. I'll repeat that again. You do not want to use the seeds. Fire, hot, super hot, can't control it, hot, hot, hot. So what I've done is I've seeded it, okay? And this is a whole chili, and just take it out like that, and then mix that in together. Now usually you're going to want this to sit for a couple of hours before you use it. You've got a couple of other things to do. One, if you really like it hot, you can use some crushed red pepper flakes. Not powder, but flakes. And then stir that in. I'm going to go and get a spoon to taste this now. Going to follow me?
Go ahead.
This is the fun part. I wish you could taste it with me, but you can't. The sweetness of the pineapple, offset with the onion and the hotness of the chili, is just dynamite. Grill some fish outside. Put this on top of it. It is ideal. It's a real winner for you and your family. For Expert Village, I'm Mark Allen. Thanks for watching.